They told you debt is bad, avoid it at all cost, but the rich get richer, using money that's not theirs, not lost. While you fear loans, they leverage the game. Same system, same rules, but a very different aim. You swipe your card just to survive the week. They borrow millions and never feel weak. So what's the twist? What's the hidden path ahead? The poor fear debt. The rich get rich with it instead. 1. The big lie about debt. From childhood days, you heard the same advice. Stay away from debt. It will ruin your life. But schools don't teach what money can do. They teach you to fear it, not how to use it too. Debt isn't evil. It's a powerful tool, but used the wrong way, makes you look like a fool. It's not about borrowing. It's what you create. Bad debt drains you. Good debt builds your fate. 2. What is bad debt? Bad debt is simple. It steals from your future, leaves you stuck, like financial torture, buying liabilities that bring no return, while interest keeps growing, a painful burn. That new iPhone just to flex and impress. Now you owe more money, while owning less. Designer clothes, expensive rides, all look good, but kill you inside. Bad debt takes cash, but gives nothing back. It keeps you running, stuck on the same track. 3. What is good debt? Now here's the secret the wealthy protect. They don't avoid debt, they use it with respect. Good debt builds assets, puts money in motion, turns small investments into financial oceans. They borrow to buy what pays them back. Real estate, businesses, staying on track. Instead of spending, they multiply, turning every naira into a money supply. Debt that creates, instead of destroys. That's how the rich play financial toys. 4. How the rich use debt. They don't use their money, they use the banks. Take calculated risks, and build massive ranks. They buy an asset, let it pay the loan. So the debt disappears, but the asset is owned. While you work for money day and night, their money works for them. Building wealth in sight, they leverage smart. That's the hidden key, turning borrowed funds into financial freedom. You see. 5. Why most people stay broke. It's not your fault, but now you must learn. Because ignorance is what keeps money from your turn. Most people borrow just to survive the day, while the rich borrow to build a better way. Same system, same tools in hand, different mindset, different plan. One stays stuck, the other escapes. One buys liabilities, one builds estates. So next time you hear that debt is bad, remember the truth most never had. It's not the debt, it's how you play. That decides if wealth comes your way. Learn the game, don't stay blind. Shift your actions and your mind. Because the rich don't work harder, they think ahead. And that's why they win, using good debt.
Subscribe for more tips, like this glowing gold coin. Get yours by subscribing.